In this video, we're going to talk about a super powerful buy and sell indicator that you can use to identify buy and sell entry points in the market. We're going to combine this indicator with other technical trading tools to create a super profitable trading system. If you happen to find value in this video, remember to leave a like. Let's get into it. So this indicator is called RangeFilterBuyAndSell. To add it to your chart, you first of all want to go to Tradingview, which is the charting platform that I'm going to be using. If you need to sign up, the link for that will be in the video description. And then load any trading security that you like. For this video, I'm going to be using the 5-minute time frame of GBP/JPY because this indicator is designed for the 5-minute time frame. After that, click on Indicators, then type in Range Filter Buy and Sell, and you're going to select this one created by this guy. So the range filter buy and sell indicator is actually not an indicator. It's a PineScript strategy code designed for the 5-minute time frame. You can see here the strategy tester says that this is actually a losing strategy, which means using this strategy on its own isn't going to make you any money. That is why we're going to combine it with other technical analysis tools to create a strategy that would be profitable instead of, losing. To do that, we first of all want to go over this indicator's components. As you can see here, this indicator creates a range around the price, and then as soon as the price breaks outside of that range, it prints a buy or a sell signal depending on the direction of the breakout. If it's an upward breakout like here, the indicator is going to print a buy signal, and that is where you're going to look to enter your long positions. Now, if you look at this indicator closely, you will realize that these buy and sell signals are going to be delayed by 1 or 2 candles, which means instead of entering the long positions here, we're going to enter on the close of this next candle, 1 candle after the signal candle itself. And then for a short position, the indicator needs to identify a market range, and then the price needs to break below that range like it did right here. And again, the sell signal is going to be delayed by 1 or 2 candles. In this particular trade example, we can see that it was delayed by 1 candle, which makes this candle our entry point. Now, in order to turn this from a losing strategy to a profitable strategy, we need to add 2 more indicators to the chart. But before we do that, we're going to double click on it so we can change some settings. On the Style tab, we want to disable the range filter, the high target, the low target, and then down here we're also going to disable the high target range, the low target range, trace on chart, signal labels, and quantity. After all that, click OK. Then open the indicator search tab and type in Liquidity-Weighted moving averages, and you're going to select this one created by Algo Alpha. Next, type in MACD, this one called moving average convergence divergence. Then double-click on the MACD indicator. Then on the Style tab, you want to disable the MACD line and the signal line options. After that, click OK. For the Liquidity-Weighted moving average indicator, we're going to double-click on it, and then on the Inputs tab, you want to change the fast MA length to 100, and then for the slow MA length, we're going to go with 200. After that, click OK. The Liquidity-Weighted moving averages indicator is going to be used for trend identification. Whenever it's colored teal, like here, this indicates a bullish trend, and we're only going to be looking to take long positions. On the other hand, whenever the Liquidity-Weighted moving average indicator is colored red, like here, this indicates a bearish trend, and so we're only going to be looking to take short positions. Then finally, the MACD indicator is a momentum indicator. We're going to be using it to ensure that there is enough bullish or bearish momentum in the market to take long and short positions. Now, speaking of taking positions, how can we take long and short positions using these 3 indicators combined? Well, I'm going to show you. But before that, let's talk about the Forex broker called Fintura. Now, I've been using Fintura for quite some time. As you can see here, this is my live account on MT4. Yes, MT4 is the trading platform used by Fintura. The reason why I think Fintura is a great broker is because of their low commissions as well as spreads that go as low as 0.0 pips. They also have a maximum leverage of 1 to 500, for those of you who love high leverage. If all of this isn't enough, they're also going to give you a 100% deposit bonus for all your first deposits of between $100 all the way to $50,000. So if you deposit, say, $5,000, they're going to give you a bonus of $5,000. So in total, you're going to have $10,000 to trade with. To access the bonus as well as all the other perks, sign up to Fintura using the link in the video description. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, at this point in time, I know you may be thinking,
but how can we take long and short positions using these 3 indicators that we have here?
Well, let me show you. To take a long position, first, we need to confirm that the market is in a bullish trend. For that, we're going to use the Liquidity-Weighted Moving Average indicator by Algo Alpha. We need this trend ribbon to be colored teal and the price to be trading above it. This indicates a bullish trend. Condition number 2 is that we need a buy signal to be printed by the RangeFilterBuyAndSell indicator. This indicates a shift in market momentum from bearish to bullish. The third condition is to use the MACD indicator to further confirm the presence of this bullish momentum in the market. We need the last MACD histogram to be colored teal like this to indicate the presence of enough bullish momentum in the market to push the price all the way to take profit. The last condition is to confirm that the entry candle opened and closed above the trend ribbon of the liquidity-weighted moving average. This is going to prevent us from taking trades when the market is ranging. All our entry conditions are met on this candle. So we're going to enter a long position here. We're going to set our stop loss just below the most recent swing low. And for the take profit, we're going to target 1.5 times the risk. Letting this trade run. And as you can see, it hits take profit. Now here is another long position. As you can see, the liquidity-weighted moving average was colored teal, indicating a bullish trend. And then a buy signal was printed, indicating a shift in market momentum from bearish to bullish. To confirm the bullish momentum, we use the MACD indicator. And as you can see, the last MACD histogram bar was colored teal. Lastly, the entry candle opened and closed above the trend ribbon of the liquidity-weighted moving average. Now that we've taken 2 long positions, you may be thinking, but how do we take a short position? Well, we're basically going to be doing the opposite of everything we did for the long positions. Let me show you. The first condition is to confirm that the market is in a bearish trend. For that, we're going to be using the liquidity-weighted moving average indicator by Algo Alpha. We need this trend ribbon to be colored red and the price to be trading below it. This indicates a bearish trend. Condition number 2 is that we need a sell signal to be printed by the RangeFilterBuyAndSell indicator. This indicates a shift in market momentum from bullish to bearish. The third condition is to use the MACD indicator to further confirm the presence of this bearish momentum in the market. We need the last MACD histogram bar to be colored red like this to indicate the presence of enough bearish momentum in the market to push the price in the direction of our trade. The last condition is to confirm that the entry candle opened and closed below the trend ribbon of the liquidity-weighted moving average. This is going to prevent us from taking trades when the market is consolidating. All our entry conditions are met on this candle, so we're going to enter a short position here. We're going to set our stop loss just above the most recent swing high. For the take profit, we're going to target 1.5 times the risk. Letting this trade run. And as you can see, it hits take profit. In summary, the RangeFilterBuyAndSell indicator is a sophisticated trading tool designed for identifying market trends and momentum shifts on the 5-minute time frame. By integrating it with the liquidity-weighted moving average and the MACD indicators, traders can refine entry and exit points for both long and short positions, significantly improving their trading outcomes. If you want to check out this indicator on TradingView, you can just access the indicator search tab and type out its full name. Feel free to play around with it and see what other strategies and settings you can come up with. Well, that's basically it for this video. I hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.